Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can prepare the event page in Shopify. Okay, so as you can see, I have prepared my client event page. So here's my client event and expo, and then also you explore events. So here, if someone click, it will it will take to the different section. And as you can see here, so look at this one. So here's my all of my client event photos and picture, and here's my client and all expo, and then also previously all of the expo my client and all of this thing I have prepared. This is done by Shopify, to be honest, guys. Okay, so you can see what our attendants say, so what our customers saying, some of the customer reviews, and then also call to action in the bottom. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. So pretty, I have tried to make it pretty simple and straightforward. Now let's go. Okay, so now I already given the shape, so if I show you the preview, let's see how this is looks. Let's go to the preview. Okay, so this is the preview. Now you see it looks something like that. It's pretty good, right? So then also 2025. Okay, 25, so there's a two event photos, and then also 24, 23. Okay, so all of the event picture and everything showing here. So here is my client, all of the previous event picture showing here. Pretty good, right? So and then also some of the reviews, and then also calculation. I know what I have tried to make it pretty simple so that it actually customer actually love it. Okay, so that was my goal. So as you can see, it looks something like pretty good, right? So right now what I'm going to do, basically I'm going to actually add this into the Shopify menu. So first of all, I have to come to the Shopify. After coming to Shopify, previously my client got two order. So there is this two big order my client got. So if you see here, and one almost $1,000 to 258 product. So let's go to the online store now. We have to go to the content, and then you have to go to the menus. And after coming to the menu, I have to go to the main menu. So after oh, it's not the right menu. So let's go back, and I should come to the header menu. And then after coming to over there, I should play the page. Let's click on the page, event page. After coming to the page, I should click on the event page, event and expo. This event and expo, I will just click on over here. So I'll have to keep it under the shop. Okay, so let's click the save option. So once that be done, I will go to the Shopify, and then after that I will refresh. Now you will see menu. Okay, so sometimes it's you might not see, but you should actually start from this case. Now after that you will see. Okay, so now you see it's pretty good and simple. Okay, pretty amazing, right? So best seller, best deal, and jewelry. Okay, so best deal and jewelry. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. So if you really like this video, if you want to get this type of section, you should come to our agency website. I will give my agency website link in the video description. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.